Hello fam, thanks for clicking play on today's video. We'll be looking at 5 reasons why your body lotions, your brightening body lotions are not working and how you can fix them. So let's get into it. Before I list out these 5 points, I want to make something clear. There's a difference between skin lightening, skin brightening, and skin whitening. The goal of skin brightening is to enhance your skin's natural radiance, to restore a natural glow by removing dullness. Most of us have very good, nice complexion, but because we have been exposed to the sun for too long, dead skin cells have accumulated on our bodies. That glow, that radiance is no longer there. Your skin is dull, and so you need to brighten your skin to reveal your skin's natural complexion. So we target dead skin cells, uneven texture, and oxidative stress when we're trying to brighten the skin. So we use ingredients like alpha hydroxy acid, glycolic acid, lactic acid, mandelic acid. We use ingredients like vitamin C, like rice root, to brighten your complexion, exfoliate the dead skin cells, and allow for your natural complexion, your natural skin tone to pop. That is brightening, and that is what we're doing here. On to lightening. The goal of lightening is to fade dark spots, hyperpigmentation, or sun damage. So we try to inhibit melanin production in targeted areas, not the whole skin tone. So if you have a dark spot, maybe on your arm, on your legs, on your knuckle, a hyperpigmented spot, treating that area to make it even tone with the rest of your skin is lightening. You're targeting a particular problem area, and so we use ingredients like kojic acid, alpha-butane, tranexamic acid as targeted treatments for hyperpigmented areas, and not the overall skin tone, not the whole body. That is lightening. So think of it as spot correction, not full skin bleaching. And that takes me to the third one, whitening. Whitening, aka skin bleaching, is changing your overall skin complexion to maybe 2, 3 shades, 4 shades, 5 shades, 10 times lighter, 10 times whiter than your original complexion. And so there is use of harsh or harmful chemicals like hydroquinone in high doses, mercury in high doses, steroids to change your entire skin complexion. It is dangerous, it is discouraged, and we don't do that here. So each time you hear me talk about brightening, I'm talking about revealing your skin's natural tone, your skin's natural complexion. Okay? So the first reason why you think your brightening body lotions are not working is your expectations. You are trying to get 1, 2 shades lighter, and you're using a brightening body lotion. It is your expectation that is the problem. You want that brightening body lotion, that Medix, that Dr. Teal's, to take you 2, 3 shades lighter. It can't work. It can't work that way. If you are trying to bleach your skin, you cannot say a brightening body lotion didn't work for you. It is your expectations you need to fix. If you are trying to reveal your skin's natural radiance and tone, brightening body lotions will work for you. But if you have ulterior motives, you are claiming that you want to brighten your skin, but you know that you are trying to go 2 shades lighter, it will not work. That's the problem. That's why you think that the brightening lotion is not working for you, because you have set unrealistic expectations. Now on to number 2. The brightening body lotion is not working for you because you have an accumulation of dead skin cells. You are not exfoliating. Like we've just said, brightening aims at revealing your skin's natural complexion. But if you have accumulated dead skin cells on your skin, these dead skin cells look dull, they are accumulated, they are stacked on your skin. So your brightening body lotions cannot work until that layer of dead skin cells is taken off. So when you're using your brightening body lotions, you need to exfoliate your skin. You can use physical exfoliants or chemical exfoliants. I prefer chemical exfoliants because they do the exfoliation at a deeper level and they do it uniformly. Body scrubs are good, but they just do it on the surface level. And if you're using a body scrub on your skin, like if you're using a body scrub on your skin, you may actually be exfoliating more areas than the others because it's not even. It just takes away the topmost layer of dead skin cells. But chemical exfoliants go past the epidermis into the dermis, and they exfoliate your skin on a deeper level, and they give you a more even kind of exfoliation. So exfoliate your skin before using your brightening body lotions. When you exfoliate your skin, your body lotions properly penetrate your skin and it can work better. So exfoliation is the second thing you need to be mindful of when you are using your brightening body lotions. The third thing is hydration. The way you're applying the body lotion, it ain't gonna work. It won't work. Sometimes you get out of the shower, you dry your body completely. There is no water on your skin. Your skin is completely dry and you're trying to put a body lotion in it. That body lotion is not going to penetrate your skin because your skin needs water to absorb more water. Think of it like a sponge. When a sponge is wet, it absorbs more water. When the sponge is dry, it takes time. It's difficult for it to absorb water. So you need to hydrate your skin. When you hydrate your skin, you condition your skin cells and you make it easier for your body lotions that contain the brightening ingredients, the vitamin C, the licorice root, the niacinamide, whatever brightening ingredients you have in the body lotion to penetrate your skin cells and work. But if your skin is dry, it's not going to work. Other factors could be the environment in which you find yourself. Some people are in areas that humidity is really low and their skin tends to be drier because their skin is losing moisture to the environment. So you want to use a humidifier, you want to use glycerin on your skin after shower so that you are trapping in moisture in your skin. And this will help your body lotion penetrate your skin better and you're going to start seeing results. So, oh my goodness. Sorry about that. So exfoliate your skin. Hydrate your skin before applying your body lotion, your brightening body lotion. Fourth thing is spot treatment. Sometimes you're expecting the body lotion to lighten certain areas of your body. And it can't work that way. I understand that we as people of color, we sometimes have problem areas. Maybe you have darker looking knuckles or you have some spots maybe from insect bites or whatever post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation you have on your body. And you're using a brightening lotion containing niacinamide, licorice root, vitamin C. Those are not lightening ingredients. Those are brightening ingredients. So that body lotion cannot treat those areas. And so you begin to think that, oh, the brightening lotion is not working. You need something more specific for those stubborn problem areas. So you need to spot treat. Like we talked about lightening. Lightening is spot treatment. You need to go for ingredients that are lightening to treat the particular hyperpigmented spot. You need to look for kojic acid. You need to look for alpha-butane and use it as a spot treatment on those hard to treat areas only. By so doing, it lightens the area such that that area blends with the rest of your complexion and then you see that your brightening body lotion works. But if you are not spot treating, you always see that there's a particular part of your body that is still dark, is still dull, and you think that the brightening body lotion is not the case. So spot treat stubborn areas and use your brightening body lotions to unify your complexion. The last thing is sunscreen. Let's be honest, many of us are not wearing sunscreen the way we are supposed to. You cannot try to brighten your skin and then you're exposing your skin to sun rays. The sun rays trigger the melanin producing cells to produce melanin in a bit to protect you from those rays. So if you're using, say, an exfoliant, you're trying to exfoliate your skin for your brightening body lotion to work, and you're not wearing sunscreen, you're leaving your skin more vulnerable to sun damage and it's going to make you darker. The brightening body lotion is not going to work. So you need to protect your skin from the sun at all times. Protect your bright, radiant skin from the sun. If you're using, say, Medix, Dr. Teal's, I'm sorry, I'm just naming this because that's what comes to my mind right now. You need to protect your skin from the sun. Always apply sunscreen on exposed body areas when you're stepping out and try to use other sun protection measures like hats, sunglasses, umbrellas, and don't be out in the sun between the hours of 10 and 4 depending on your geographical location. For some people, the UV index is high right up to about 5 p.m. So check the UV index. Be sure that you're not outside during peak hours. And if you're going to be outside, please protect your body. Protect your body. If you're using your brightening body lotions, you're not protecting your body. You are just undoing what you're trying to do. And you keep going in circles and you think that the body lotion is not working. And the last thing will be nutrition. Your diet. Eat vitamin C rich foods. Vitamin C is an antioxidant. It prevents oxidative stress on your skin cells that damage your skin cells and show up as hyperpigmentation or dullness, and hydrate your skin from within. Let me tell you something. Throughout the winter, I've been using glycerin on my skin, and my skin was hydrated. But once the weather changed and it became more humid and hot, I realized that my skin was getting dry even while I applied glycerin on my skin. I will apply glycerin like I always do. And within 2-3 hours, I noticed that my skin was ashy, and I'm wondering why. And then while I was thinking about it, like, what am I doing wrong? The Holy Spirit just ministered to me, like, drink water. You're not drinking water. The weather has changed. And I was like, oh my goodness, it's so hot out here and my skin is now prone to dehydration. So I started drinking coconut water, and within 2 days, everything balanced out. So please hydrate your skin. Hydrate your skin properly, eat properly, and it's going to contribute to making your body lotions work better for you. I hope that you found this video helpful. I hope that these tips will actually help you get the most out of your brightening body lotions. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. If you want me to talk about any topic, any body lotions, let me know in the comment section below. Your wish is my command, and I'm here to serve you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video, and I'll see you on my next one. God bless you.